this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for like 3 different. So first it is Christy's from Christy's Beautiful Life. It's the 30 days of sketches, and it is day number 15. And the sketch is from Michelle. I don't even want to say the last thing. It's from Michelle from the Scattered Scrapper. And then it is Stretch the Sketch, which we take layout or the sketch and stretch it to our sort. So I'm going to shrink it down, and the sketch is literally going to be on this piece of paper. And obviously I do all of mine 12 by 12. So what I do is that I take this part of it out and I work on just this, and this is just going to be my background piece so that it stays a 12 by 12 for my layout, because this is also with How to Kill a Kit with Style. It's the kit that I'm trying to finish up for Lake Constant. And the 2 photos are of my son and my daughter. So this side is Switzerland on both photos, and then this is Germany. And when you're at Lake Constant actually runs between Germany and Switzerland. And so when we went down to where the border is of Switzerland and Germany, they had these little pylons that you could stand on, and one foot could be in Switzerland and the other foot could be in Germany. So that's what these are. So again, like this is Switzerland, this is Germany. We did actually go through Switzerland. We didn't spend much time in Switzerland while we were stationed over there, but we did go through it. I wish I would have done some of the traveling down there, but it's okay. But that is what the photos are of, and let's get started and see where this will take us. All right, so I am going to get this back part of it so that it can still stay true to my 12 by 12 way of doing my layouts for all of my, pages for my books. So I am going to do my lovely doodling that I do along all of the edges, and then I set this aside and I only work off of the 8.5 by 11 that I cut up. I am distressing everything, and in the corner, in the upper right hand corner, you will see the sketch that is done by Melissa. That is for the 30 days of sketches, which is what the 2 combined things are doing. So Christy's from Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, Series 10, along with Stretch the Sketch, we're all doing the same layout. So there is a ton of inspiration out there today that you can go and get for just this sketch alone. So now in the sketch, as you can tell, there are 2 pages. And instead of me doing a tearing of that one, I just left it with the banners. And I'm placing both of the banners down just like I would like. And then I do my embellishments. So what I do is that I come out with another paper from the kit to put these photos on. And you guys will actually see my journaling. I don't journal on camera, but I do journal, and I do put it on these because there is a story behind it. Like I said in the little bit of the non-voiceover part of it in the beginning, my introduction, I do tell you what the significance is of those. So I'm just cutting this down so that I have enough space around to do kind of what they did in the sketch, or what Melissa did in the sketch. Now I am very much, I'm going to embellish, and this one, because the layout is, or the sketch is like very not very heavy embellished. I actually keep it very embellished, not as embellished as I normally do. I could have loaded this up, but I didn't, because I needed to make sure to remember to stay true to myself and only have the 8.5 by 11. So I am going to use this little car because we were traveling, and I'm going to do the titling Let's Get Away. And one of the words is going to be on the photo, and then the other two are going to be separated or off it, but I leave it so that it's all connected together. I know the title is off to the side, but because I shrunk this, I do have an embellishment piece off to the side, but it's an embellishment piece and not my title. My title is just along the banner pieces, and then that other piece that's in the corner, that's where my journaling pieces are going to go once I get to that point. Now, I am going to put down below in the description the journaling pieces that we use. I have been using these. I didn't want to say much about them until I really got to use them a little bit more. And Close to My Heart came out with journaling strips that if you do not have like a stencil or any of that sort, or you don't want that stencil look, but you still need something to be able to keep your journaling straight, then these are it. I love them. They're awesome. They work really, really well. And so if you are interested in them, they'll be linked down below. Now you'll see me kind of come in with some different pieces just to finish it up. And make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked down below. I personally upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do design team, collaborations, and then just my Close to My Heart information. All of that will be linked down below in the description, along with the group to Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, so that you can go in and make sure to check out all of the different types of layouts that they have done with this sketch there, along with everything that is, you know, throughout this hop that you are on today. I am definitely in the fall mode. All of that fun stuff. It's starting to get kind of cooler here. We went and did an apple festival up in South Carolina, or north of us, and that was a lot of fun. It was only like 2 hours from us, so it was really nice. Yesterday. And we did a lot of apple eating. And then this is it. Still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.